Welcome to my textbook advertising presentation. Today, I'm going to introduce a reference textbook entitled Essential Teaching Skill by Chris Crico. Before we begin, let me ask you something. When you imagine a good teacher, what comes to your mind? Maybe a teacher who explains clearly, maybe a teacher who knows that subject very well, or maybe a teacher who can manage the classroom. All of the answers are true, but in this book show that effective teaching is more than that. Teaching is a professional skill, and this book explains how the skill can be developed. Look at the main question. What makes a teacher truly effective? It is about knowing the subject. Subject knowledge is important, but it is not enough. It is about explaining clearly. Yes, clear explanation is also important, but teaching is not only about talking in front of the class. Or is it about managing the whole learning process? This is the key point. According to this book, effective teaching involves many connected skills. A teacher needs to plan the lesson, present the material, manage the class, motivate students, assess progress, and reflect on the teaching process. So, this book helps us answer one big question. How can teacher teach more effectively in a real class situation? The book I'm advertising is Essential Teaching Skill. It was written by Chris Crico, published by Nelson Tornes Ltd. In 2007, and this is a third edition of this book. It has a 1057 page. This book is an educational reference textbook. It is not focused on the one specific subject such as English, science, or mathematics. Instead, it is focused on the essential teacher skill that teachers need. The book is useful because it discusses teaching in a practical way. It talks about planning lessons, presenting material, managing students, building classroom climate, handling discipline, assessing pupils' progress, and evaluating teaching practice. In other words, this book is a practical guide for becoming a more effectively teacher. Now, let's move to the book summary. First, what is the main purpose of this book? The main purpose is to guide teachers in developing practical skill for effective classroom teaching. One important idea from Crico is that teaching skill involves three elements: knowledge, decision making, and action. Knowledge means teacher need to understand the subject, student, the curriculum, teaching method, and the classroom context. Next, decision making. Decision making means teacher need to choose the best action before, during, and after lesson. Action. Action means teacher needs to apply those decisions effectively in the classroom. So, teaching is not only about knowing that to teach, it also about knowing how to teach, when to respond, and how to improve. Second, who is book for? This book is useful for student teacher, new teacher, experienced teacher, and teacher trainers. For student teacher, it gives a basic foundation. For new teacher, it helps them face classroom challenges. And for experienced teacher, it supports reflection and professional development. Third, what are the key themes of the book? The book has one foundation chapter and 7 essential teaching skills. The foundation chapter is explain how teacher skills are developed, and the 7 essential teaching skills are planning and preparation, lesson presentation, lesson management, classroom climate, discipline, assessing pupil progress, and reflection and evaluation. So, the book gives a complete map of effective teaching from preparation to reflection. Now, let's talk about the strength of this textbook. The first strength is that the book is practical and classroom-based. It discusses real classroom situations such as planning a lesson, asking questions, managing students, giving feedback, and assessing learning. This makes the book useful for teachers who needs practical guidance. The second strength is it is clear and organized structure. The book moves from the basic concept of teaching skill to the main area of classroom practice. Because of this, readers can follow the idea step by step. The third strength is that the book is useful for teacher development. Kriko explains that teacher skills can be improved through observation, practice, feedback, and reflection. This is important because it shows that good teaching is not only a talent, it's something teachers can learn and develop. However, no textbook is perfect. This book also has some weakness. The first weakness is it is strong UK education context. The book refers to KTS standard, DFES, Ofsted, and the national curriculum. These references are related to United Kingdom, so readers from other countries may need to adapt the ideas to their own educational system. The second weakness is that some sections are text heavy. Because this is a reference textbook, it contains many detailed explanations. For some readers, especially visual learners, the textbook may feel dense. The third weakness is limited digital examples. The book was published by 2007. Although it discusses ITC, it does not fully cover today's digital learning tools, such as online platform, hybrid learning, or AI-supported teaching. Even so, the main ideas are still relevant because planning, classroom management, assignment, discipline, and reflection are still important in important question. Why should we read this book? First, it gives a practical teaching guidance. This book helps teachers understand how to plan, teach, manage, and assess learning effectively. It gives a clear picture of what teachers need to do before, during, and after lesson. Second, it supports teacher development. The book encourages teachers to reflect, evaluate, and improve their practice. It reminds teachers not only to ask, did I finish the lesson? But also, did my student really learn? Third, it creates better learning experience. When teachers improve their teaching skill, learners also get benefit. Students can experience clear lessons, better classroom organization, a more positive classroom climate, and more meaningful feedback. So, this book is not only useful for teachers, it also valuable for learners because better teaching creates better learning. To close this presentation, let's return to the opening question. What makes a teacher truly effective? After looking at this book, we can say that an effective teacher is not only someone who knows the subject. An effective teacher is someone who can plan carefully, present clearly, manage the classroom, build a positive learning climate, handle discipline, assess students fairly, and reflect on teaching practice. That is the value of essential teaching skill. This book reminds us that teaching is a skill that can be learned, practiced, and improved. So, If you want to understand how effective teaching works, this book is worth to reading. Better teaching start with essential teaching skill. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.